Okay guys, now we're going to talk about our wind strapping here. Again, just like we use the wind strapping on our roll-up side to secure the pipe, we're going to use wind strapping over the house. Now on a house this size is a 16 by 16, we're going to go ahead and do every single bow. On a longer house, 20 foot longer, you can go ahead and do every other bow. On this one, we just went ahead and did every single gap. So what we want to do is we want to do our double fold like we did for our roll-up sides, and we want to put a Tech screw and a fender washer through. We're going to go completely over the house. The point of this is to keep the film from moving around too much and rubbing any holes here at our bends. And so we want to pull a little bit of tension on it. You can see we've wrinkled the main film a little bit, but again, we're not pulling tight like a drum top. We still got a little bit of looseness here. We just want it good and taut.